On a train back to Boston, and we're jumping the gun. And I'm telling you, baby, this the part I'd run. But I like it when you're nice, like it when you're nice to me. Well, there I was, swearing I would never fall in love. All my inhibitions walked out the second you said what's up. So here we go, I'm throwing out the things I used to know. I hate to admit it, but I guess I'm not better alone. On a train back to Boston,